My name is Andrew Gibson. I live in the Emerson Heights neighborhood, and I've been attending Indy Metro for about a year.
Hi, my name is Faith Batzinger. I've lived in Fountain Square, and I've been going to Indy Metro for the last 4.5 years.
God has been generous to me in providing a place for me, Wheeler Mission, to recover from some serious drug addictions. He has also healed my back, had some serious back issues in the past. He's made me physically able to work, and he's also reconciled me with my wife after finally putting him in the center of our relationship.
I think the biggest way that I see his generosity in my life is just in the relationships that I've had in so many years. I just think about how when I was a kid and how I was the kid who would cling to my daddy's pant leg. Like I would not talk to strangers. Like, despite how hard it's been to make friends over the years, like seeing where I am now and seeing how much God has blessed me with people who love me and people I can love.
God continues to be generous to me by providing me with an awesome job. I work in a workshop manufacturing furniture. It's a faith-based company, so I'm able to minister to people and also teach people skills that I've learned in the past. He gives me knowledge to raise my children, wisdom, how to raise them up and to be followers of Him. Also, He continues to provide people, brothers in Christ, through my small group, through church, through Wheeler Mission, friends that are encouraging, that I can turn to at any time if I need help in any situation.
God continues to be generous to me in the way that He gives me so many opportunities to continue to learn and to grow. So now I have a full-time job with benefits, something I've never had before since graduating from college 5 years ago. And so this is kind of a new phase of life, like how do I continue to be faithful with what He's given me.